Hello, I am Jasmine. I am Snow White. And I am Flora. We are friends of Cinderella. Hello everyone, I am Cinderella and I am going to tell you my story. Once upon a time, there lives a beautiful girl with a piece of heart. She was very beautiful and have kind heart. Her mother left the world when she was very young, and her father remarried for her better future. Then, after his father remarriage, her stepmother and her stepsisters were jealous from Cinderella's beauty. They all try every time to be like Cinderella, but they couldn't. One day, when his father had to leave home due to some job issues, when his father left home, her stepmother came to Cinderella and said, "Hey, what are you looking at? Go and wash the clothes, and after that, you have to make lunch for everyone. And from now, you will live at the attic and you will do all the household work." Then Cinderella said, "But why I will do the work? You are my mother, you should do." Then he said, "I am not your mother, I am your stepmother, and from now you will do all work of me and my both the daughters." Cinderella had no friend except her two mice. One day, when Cinderella was sitting in the attic, an announcement is given. Announcement was that a big party was organized in the palace, and all the girls, all the people of the city have to come in the palace for that great party. Party was in the palace of royal family of the city. Cinderella also wants to go in that party, but her stepmother refused to take her to the party. All her sisters, or both of her sisters, were dressing up for the party, and her mother also. They were gone in party, and after that, Cinderella also wanted to go in the party, but she was crying because she couldn't go to the party and didn't have beautiful clothes to go in party. Then a fairy came and he gifted Cinderella a beautiful dress and turned her to a beautiful princess and turned a pumpkin into bullock cart. Then Cinderella went to palace and she was looking very pretty and she wore very beautiful dress. The prince watched Cinderella and wanted to dance with her. When Cinderella was dancing, it's only 5 minutes left in 12 o'clock. Cinderella remembered that the fairy said after 12 o'clock she will be a normal girl as she was before. Then she ran fast to come back home so that her stepmother and her stepsister didn't recognize her. Then Cinderella ran fast from the stairs and then one of her sandals left on the stairs. She ran up and sat in her bullock cart and went to her house. The prince took the sandal to the palace. Next day, the prince announced that the girl whose the sandal will be fitted will be my wife. Cinderella's stepsisters were excited by listening this news. Prince announced that every girl of the city would get the chance to wear that sandal. When it turned to Cinderella's stepsisters, sandal not fitted in any of her foot. When counselors of the cities were getting back from the Cinderella's house, Cinderella shouted, "I also want to try it," but her stepmother refused. Counselor said that according to Prince's announcement, every girl of the city has the right to try the sandal. Cinderella tried and it fitted in her foot because it was Cinderella's sandal. Then Cinderella married to the prince and she lives a happy and luxury life. So this is my story